Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to rename a file or folder in Windows. Let's start! First is to locate the file or folder that you want to rename. It could be on your desktop, in a folder, or anywhere on your computer. Once you find the file or folder, single click on it to select it, and then right click. You will then need to click Rename. Enter the new name of folder and press enter. Now we will try to rename a file. Click the file you want to rename and then right click and then click rename. Once you've entered the new name, all you have to do is to press the enter key on your keyboard or simply click anywhere outside the file or folder to save the new name. Congratulations, you've successfully renamed the file or folder in Windows. If you want to rename multiple files or folders, you can select them all and then follow the same steps to rename them collectively. Keep in mind that when renaming files or folders, be careful not to change the file extension, the part after the dot, as it may render the file unreadable or unusable by its associated program. Renaming files and folders in Windows is a simple and handy way to keep your computer organized and easily find the files you need. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to rename a file or folder in Windows. I'll see you on my next video. Keep organizing your files with ease and until next time, take care!